Welcome to LSPM, your partner in academic excellence and professional growth. At London School of Planning and Management, we're more than just an educational institution. We're your trusted companion on your journey to success, offering unwavering support and guidance every step of the way. Whether you're pursuing academic qualifications or advancing your career, LSPM is here to help you reach your goals. Our experienced faculty, comprehensive resources, and personalized approach ensure that you receive the highest quality education tailored to your needs. Join us and unlock your full potential with LSPM as your partner in academic excellence and professional growth. Together, let's pave the way to a brighter future. To apply, visit our website www.lspm.org.uk today.